Hi all, welcome back. Today we will see how to create a cylinder chart using this data. Let's see how to create a cylinder chart. If you are new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Select the data, click on the insert, click on this, click on 2D column chart, and right click on this chart, click on change type, click on this third one, that is 3D staggered column chart, click on OK. Now select the chart, click on right click click on format chart area. Just select the icons, that is charts. Select the cylinder type and kept this is 100 and this is also 100. And make it as 0 here, X rotation, and Y rotation also 0. Now it is converted into a 2D like 3D of 2D 0 X axis rotation. I want to change the chart color type. Select the upper part and select with a full of loading, that is this color, and select the lower part and select yellow. I want to change the background color of the chart. Click on solid and click on this and select this chart color type. Now just click on plus icon, click on data labels. The data labels all highlighted. I want to change the x-axis and y-axis the data labels. Just select the two vertical labels, color white, and here also an x-axis. Click on white and select the right and type cylinder chart. And this is also make it white. And drag it to the next level. Here we can see the cylinder chart got created. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.